Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Well, today I've got a review on a Lego 1969 Camaro Z28 kit. So I'll get the camera set up and turned around and we'll get on with the review. So this is the Lego 1969 Camaro Z28 kit, and this is the box that it comes in. It's quite nice. It's their new adult theme type of box art, and you've got the side view here of the car, and shows you the actual size of the wheel and tire assembly. And then we flip it around. This is the back of the box, and we've got the other building option that we'll go over, and then a few from the sales brochure, a picture of the car right there. So we'll go over the kit real quick here. It assembles in about 8 to 9 hours. I think I took about 8 or 9 hours to put this together. Again, it's a Z28. You can see that by the emblems on the front, and those are just decals. I chose to do the Hideaway headlight option, or you can have the headlights open, and I'll just show you that in the instructions, or like you saw on the box art here, this is with the headlights open. So again, I chose to do it with the headlights closed if the car was shut off. We have a opening door features on it. And of course the bucket seats will actually move ahead so passengers can get in the back. It also comes, we'll get around to the other side here, it also comes with a kind of like a model magazine display poster in the back seat. That's kind of a neat little touch. Now, again, we'll get around to the front here, and we'll pop open this nice little cowl hood. Oop, one-handed here, sorry about that. So again, we get underneath the cowl hood, and we've got a 302 small block. See if we can get a little bit better light in there. Yep, we've got a 302 small block in there. Again, I kind of wish that Lego would have molded this in orange bricks. We would have had the Chevy orange then. It looks a little bit goofy and red, but that's what we get. Again, and if we flip around to the back here, bear with me, we've got a nice opening trunk. It's fairly detailed in the back. You have a couple of plate options you can put on, a Michigan plate or this plate. Again, these bricks across here, Lego makes those in chrome. They could have done that with chrome. It would have looked kind of neat. And again, on the front, you've got the, pick this up again. You've got the front chin spoiler, right? And the front bumper again probably could have been chrome. You've got a few building options on the car. So first of all, you've got the you can build it in a hard top or a convertible. So here's the instructions. The instructions show here, this is the hard top version, which I built. There's the hard top version, and then there's the convertible version you can build there. And then you've got a couple more options here, and it's on the stripe color. So you can go with a gray stripe, a white stripe, or a like a burgundy stripe, which matches the some of the interior there with the burgundy stripe. I chose to do the white stripe. I kind of like the white stripe. The kit goes together fairly well. It's a fairly good representation of the car. I do like it, and it's well worth the investment to go on a Lego shelf. in the shop. I've got a couple of shelves here, and then I got a couple of shelves on the other side of the shop. But yeah, it's a pretty nice kit, and I would recommend it to anybody. So everybody, thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video on the 69 Camaro Z28 Lego kit. And remember to like, share, and hit that subscribe button. Doesn't cost you anything. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. See you later. Bye.